So how about a little bit of Topps 2015 football? So what we got here is a pack of 50 cards, or it could be 40-something or 40-something. If it has a insert of sorts inside of it. It's got a little bit of a wrinkle on this package. Pretty sure it doesn't have an insert. I felt it. I'm touching it. I don't feel one, but it's just, maybe that's just me. Alright, let's get right into this. The season has just started, and getting into some football cards here. Dez Bryant, Chris Ivory, Andy Dalton, Brandon Cooks, oh no, Andre Ellington, Allen Robinson, Andre Peterson, Robert Woods, San Francisco 49ers card, Odell Beckham Jr., Colin Kaepernick, sideways cards. I guess we're going sideways now. Cleveland Browns. Yeah, we're back to normal. Got another Odell Beckham Jr. Mark Ingram. Luke Kalushi. Dan Bailey, Ruben Randall, Arian Foster, switching again, Shaqua Bell, All-Pro Tyron Smith, Dez Bryant, some kind of gold-bordered 16 card. Past and present performers. Calvin Johnson. Oh, and this is a flip card. Flip it over and you see Barry Sanders. Ryan Tannehill. Calvin Johnson. A fantasy focus, Frank Gore. All-time fantasy leagues, Calvin Johnson again. New York Giants coach Tom Callahan with presidential celebrations with George Bush. Random. And we're back. We've got Marshall Yandel, All-Pro, Joe Flacco, Clay Matthews, Justin Houston, All-Pro, Pat McAfee, All-Pro, Kirko Alonso, Le'Veon Bell with the old school uniform in there. Cool card. Tom Brady. Fantasy Studs. There we go. Tom Brady card. Rashid Jennings. Switching it up. Brandon Marshall. Aaron Rodgers, NFL MVP. Pierre Margon. Ryan Fitzpatrick. Switching it up again. Jacquez Arlan. JT Yeldon. Well, these are rookie cards. Danny Shelton. Ty Montgomery. Todd Gurley. P.J. Williams. Kevin White. Malcolm Brown. And we've got some inserts. Paul Horong from the Packers. Paul Horong. And a Devin Smith. Devin Smith. 60 years of Topps football. 60 years of Topps football. And that's another pack. In the books.